Hey there, I just got off of a Zoom conference presentation with Dr. Mark Dotzauer, the preeminent Texas economist for real estate, and I wanted to share this with you. He had presented us with some data from around the state, and I went ahead and pulled information from Austin Round Rock. And his question was, what if you bought at the top of the market in 2008? What would that look like? I think we can all agree that in the last 40 years, that was the most significant economic event we've seen. And here we are. So you can see that, and I have it circled on the graph, in various times. And let me remove myself so that you can see. In 1990 and 2002 and 2008 were some significant recessions or depressions. And you'll see that the Austin and Round Rock markets continued on an upward trajectory even through those. Now, will we see that this time? I do think because we've seen such significant increases in pricing, we are going to see some prices maybe go down a little bit, but because of the fact that we were in such a shortage for housing and we've had so many people move to our area and everything looks good for the Texas economy. In fact, Dr. Dotzauer said, I don't see any impending issue for any of the Texas real estate markets. I don't think we're going to see a whole lot of shift. There will be pockets, markets are hyper local, and so there will obviously be some things that are going to hedge against this. But as a whole, I think if you're someone who's going to hold your property for more than a year or two, you're going to do just fine. In fact, take a look at this pricing. These are averages from 2008, which was the very, you bought at the top of the worst market that we last saw. You would have paid around $243,000. And then you move forward, you'd see a little bit of a dip, and then you head back up again. And 5 years later, you're up $43,000. Now, I realize the last couple of years we've seen such substantial growth that people are like, yeah, Kirsty, is this great? I still think we're going to see growth. We're not going to see growth like we just saw because we were at ridiculous interest rates. And that was done because our government thought that our economy was going to go into a complete depression driven by COVID. Everybody was going to be out of jobs. We were all going to be in big trouble. And none of that happened. And so one of the things that Dr. Dotzauer said, and I agree with, is that now we're paying for that. And so we're just going to have to adjust to this new normal and move forward. Also, if you buy now and you're at a higher interest rate and things do go, more south and we end up in a recession over the next couple of years, which I know we're dipping a little bit into, but if they have to adjust interest rates to hedge that and they take them back to 2%, you can just refinance. And then you won't be in the fray, which we would have another one if we went back to 2% for price increases and a crazy appreciation. You can buy without a whole lot of competition right now. All of that said, all markets are good markets to buy and sell in as long as you know how to navigate them. With that, I'm always here to assist with your Central Texas real estate needs, and have a great day.